Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Okay, I'm still at home because last video I was telling you guys that me and Uncle Don had made our first purchase of the entire portfolio from somebody else, somebody we know. And we always want to do that, but we were very worried to buy the fake pins on eBay or stuff like that. And we were talking to one of our friends, and they were actually thinking about to let go some of their collections. So they were so generous, so nice, and give us this very good deal offer. And so we bought the whole book. Oh my God. And we're gonna go through this. I wish Uncle Don's here, but he had to go to work, so he's traveling to Phoenix right now, or Arizona. So it's just gonna be me, and we're gonna go through page by page, and you let me know, is this a good deal or not. At the end of the videos, we're also gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna give away some of the pins in here. So let's get started today's video. Oh, if you like Disney content, definitely follow us over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know the time and day we release our video. Okay, so like I said, we're watching a lot of different pin trading blogger on YouTube, and they did this massive purchase online for the entire book. We want to do it so bad, but like I said earlier, we just don't know. It's like, how do I know they are legit? I mean, it's just so scary. It turns out our friends was interesting to let go this one of the small collection they have. So this is actually pen backpack from Kraken. We also have one too. This is pretty much new. I think they told me they just bought this not too long ago. So score big one here. So let me just open this now. Oh my God, there's so many stuff here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera the other way so you can see all the pins, okay? So hold please. Hi, I have to turn this way so you can see the pins, okay? So kind of bear with me right now. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ta-da! So let me actually remove this so I can show you guys easier. Oh my God, this is, look at all this. This is like so many pages in here. It's crazy amounts. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that so you can see it better. Okay, so I am not like the pin expert yet, but I can kind of get some idea right here. So like for example, you know, this is from the Paris Disney. Artland is it's a very popular fantasy pen. They are very large. Very good. And this person put some price in here because they are a pen trader, so they put value in there, so it's pretty good. And look at this soda fountain. This is so cute. And the 101 Dalmatians. Okay. And there is a little mermaid here. This is actually a launch flight. Very cute. So I'm gonna go to page 2 now. I love this Jessie. This is so cute. Let me see, what is this though? Oh my God, this is the Hollywood Studio ED 400. Shut up, this is an AP pin. Hold on, I need a little attention here. Let me just get close to show you guys. Artist proof. This is the artist proof one. Wow, we score big. Like I told you, like I say, you know, our friend was just being nice. So I think they are losing money selling this to us. So this is also AP. Oh, I want to show you this little mermaid right here. This is so cute. Let me just open this. I'm so excited about this. So it's a little cassette tape. For those of you who don't know what's cassette tape, I cannot be friends with you. It's cute, very, very cute. All right. There's some launch flight, there's some Disney, there's some, oh, what's this? That looks like something very special. Oh no, that's a fantasy pins, and it's a ED40. That's pretty good. And here, she told me, the page here, the value is between $10 to $15. So you can see all this. Let's see, I love this one. It is the Duffy from Alani, from the Hawaii Resort, Alani Resort. What does it say? It's not limited edition, it's open edition, I think. It's very cute. Let's see, and there's a Sally here. Oh, that's Disney. Okay, this is the Disney pins. I think it's open edition. I don't see a limited edition, limited release. It's really hard to read all this here, but you know. So I think I'm gonna do is as we go through this, I wanna pull some pins out so you guys know that's gonna be a giveaway pin. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to enter the giveaway. And this giveaway will be international, so let's see. Wait, let me just go back first. Let's see anything in this page we wanna do a giveaway. You know what? Let's do something nice. Let's do something nice. Let's do this one. Dalmatians. I'm gonna put this right here so we know it's gonna be a giveaway later. Yes, I'm just so excited. You don't understand. I feel like we are moving after pin trading community now. Okay, let me just put this down here like this. Oh, these are so heavy. So this is also about $15 to $20 value. There's so many pins here. Some of them are so beautiful. I really like a lot of this. I mean, sometimes when you buy the pins, pen lot or buy the whole portfolio, you don't really have options. You know, I think we just got very lucky. Our friend gave us really nice pins here. Okay, I like. How about this one? This is a 2023. Oh, this is the Disney pins. See that? This is gonna be a giveaway. That's cute. I'm gonna put it right here. And see, let's see what else we want to give away. Oh, this Olaf, is this a fantasy? No, this is the Disney pins. I'm trying to see where this came from. Oh my god, it's so hard to read this. But anyway, that's Olaf. Let's do this a giveaway too. Okay. So let's see. Oh, this is a pretty new. This is Disney 100. And this is also Disney too. So, okay, that's gonna be a giveaway. Okay. So let me just go back up here to see what we have here. Whoa, what is this? This is the Disney employee pins, the Encanto family. Whoa, that's nice. That's really nice pins. Super nice. Okay, let me just open this up here. There's still more. There's still more. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at all this. There is a studio store Hollywood Encanto pins. Oh, this is kind of like a satin glass. You can see the color. This part. Magic of family. Let's do this giveaway too. So I'm pulling quite a few pins for giveaway. So I'm going to put it right here on the side. Let's see what else they have here. There's some launch flight Nightmare Before Christmas. There's Donald Duck. Wait, no, there's Daisy. Daisy right here. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Wow, look at all this. You know, one I really love. Obviously, I went through this already. Oh wait, let me do something real quick. This is not supposed to be here. That's supposed to be over here. Okay. I love the Alice pin right here. This is the launch flight. It's cute. There's Moana. I mean, there's so many good ones. This is a fantasy pins. Fantasy pins meaning it's not made by Disney itself, by other association, other company. Limited 50, but they are beautiful though. Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's see what else is good here. I don't know, there's just so many ways. Oh my gosh. Tigger, is this Disney? This is a Disney pin. Tigger. Oh my goodness, so cute. So cute. Okay, let's open this now. I cannot believe that she let go this whole set here. Do you guys know this value alone for resale? It's about $350 to $500, depends where you purchase from. It is the Disney Hollywood studio, the launch of the Winnie the Pooh collections. The total 6 pins right here, and they are train sets. You see this thing? They actually can connect to each other's. Oh my god. So do you think I got a good value? I really think we score a good value. All right, there's more right here. I feel like this is like a collection. We're missing a couple things here. Oh my god, there are so many cute pins right here. Oh my god, Christmas is here. It's a Mickey. This is Disney. You know, since Christmas is around the corner, let's do this giveaway too. So we're pulling pins out for giveaway, okay? If you like this video, make sure you watch all the way. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, because we are doing a nice giveaway. This is a reflection of a Mulan. This is pretty new. It's a Disney pin too. It's a mystery pin. There's more. That's probably Tokyo. Disney store. It doesn't say where. This must be the old one. Disney store pin. It's cute. So what do you think about all this? I think I got a, like I say, they are my friends. I think they were just doing us a favor. I mean, they have really, really nice pins in here. I mean, there's so many high value pins in here. So we are so excited about this. So thank you. You know who you are. We're not going to make an announcement of who they are on the YouTube channel here. But I'm just really thankful of all this. I mean, wow, this is just beautiful, beautiful. So now let me show you the pins that we are doing a giveaway here. This is the pins we're gonna do a giveaway. So here are the rules, okay? Listen very carefully. This is gonna be an international giveaway. 2 winners randomly we're gonna pick, and you have options. You need to leave a comment below. Do you like this collection right here? 101 donation. So you get all these 4 pins. Or you like Encanto, then you get all these 4 pins right here. So leave a comment below, let me know which one would you prefer. We're gonna select 2 winners. So yeah, we really appreciate your support. We are so close to be a 1,000 subscriber. So please help us share our video to your loved one. Tell them to follow us, because Uncle Don and I work very hard. We both have a regular job, and I'm managing a 3 YouTube channel myself. It's crazy. So we appreciate that when you guys subscribe our YouTube channel. It's free. There's no charge for that. Just subscribe, like the video. And yeah, and we're gonna do more giveaway because it's Christmas season, right? So definitely continue to support us. Before I let you go, make sure to check out my skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. We are having amazing holiday sets. I also just launched a brand new product from Enchanted Bloom collection, refining face mask. This mask is amazing. In just 5 minutes, it provides beautiful glow to your skin. So if you want to have an ageless looking skin, younger looking skin, definitely check out my skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. Join our community. Your first purchase will be 50% off on $30 or more. What? Or you can use my own discount, Steve15, get 15% off. So there's a lot of special, a lot of value there. I would love it if you can also support my company too. All right, we'll see you next video. Bye.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.